Hello and welcome to the Southern Mountain Kitchen. Today we're making chicken salad. So I'm starting out with chicken breast that was left over from a chicken that I baked in a previous meal. If you look at my chicken, you will see there's still some seasoning on it from that. When you take the skin off, there will be seasoning, but that's okay because it adds to the taste of what you're making. So what we're going to do is cut up whichever piece of chicken you want to use from your leftover chicken to about 2 cups of cubed chicken. So you're going to cut it into little pieces so that way when we mix it through the chicken salad it actually mixes well, but it's easier to eat that way. So go ahead and cut up your chicken. And if you have seasoning like I had left over from your chicken, don't worry about it. It's going to mix in with it. It'll give it a good flavor. So as you can see, as I'm cutting this up, I'm getting something that kind of looks like chicken cubes. It's kind of what you want because you don't want this completely shredded. You do want pieces that, they stay together when you're sticking a fork into them or whatever. Once you get your chicken cut up, you're going to want to put this into a larger bowl because we're going to mix all the other ingredients into that same bowl as we go along. So now that we have the chicken in our bowl, we are going to add 2 boiled eggs cut up into pieces. You can cut these pieces as large or small as you want. If you're not a fan of the boiled egg, you can cut it down to 1 or none. It's your choice how much you want to put in there. Once you have your egg cut up, then you are going to add your spices. So now over top of your chicken and your eggs, we are going to add 1.5 teaspoons of paprika. To that, you're going to add 3/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Then on top of that, you're going to add 2 tablespoons of sweet relish, and then 1/4 cup of onion cut into small pieces, and then 3/4 cup of mayonnaise. Now, when you go to mix this together and you're stirring it through, you want this to all kind of blend together, stick together. If yours is really loose and it doesn't stick together very well, you may need to add more mayonnaise. It depends on how your chicken ended up in there. Some chicken is going to be drier than others, some's going to be more moist than others. So you want to try to get a good mix to where it stays together. With the way mine is right here, it's kind of the perfect mix because it's not too wet, it's not too dry. If you like it drier, you can go for that. Just subtract some of the mayonnaise. If you want it more moist, then add more. And you're going to stir this up. The best thing about this, when you get it done, it can be served in many different ways. And you could put this on a sandwich. You could put this on a plate with lettuce and just have a traditional chicken salad sandwich or a meal out of it, either way you want to go. So as you can see on the plate here, it is on just a plate with lettuce and crackers. And the other way is on a Kaiser roll. If you like this video, I hope you will like and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time.